A milling tool on the tool holder in reverse. Install the tool holder on the spindle. Calibrate the tool runout to within 0.01 millimeters. Use a caliper to measure the length from the spindle end to the end of the tool, and set the length in the corresponding tool compensation. Use this tool as the standard tool. Use the hand wheel to move each axis, and move the tool to about 10 millimeters above the tool setting instrument. Use GoProbe software. Find tool setter settings, tool setter calibration. Fill in the corresponding data: probe diameter, tool compensation number. And the corresponding program will be generated. Execute the program in MDI or automatic mode to perform the tool setter calibration action. Start the program and the tool setting probe will be calibrated. The longest tool length used in the tool magazine is 160 millimeters. The macro variable, number 638, corresponding to the longest tool can be set to 180. The shortest tool length used in the tool magazine is 80 millimeters. The macro variable 639 corresponding to the shortest tool can be set to 60. Select automatic, length, on center. Fill in the corresponding data, tool compensation number, and the corresponding program will be generated. Execute the program in MDI or automatic mode to perform tool length setting action. Select automatic, length, eccentricity. Fill in the corresponding data, tool diameter, tool compensation number, and the corresponding program will be generated. Execute the program in MDI or automatic mode. The exact length of the tool will be written into the tool compensation. Select automatic, length, and diameter. Fill in the corresponding data, tool diameter, tool compensation number, tool length, and the corresponding program will be generated. Execute the program in MDI or automatic mode to perform tool length and tool diameter adjustments. Select automatic, tool damage. Fill in the corresponding data, tool compensation number, tool diameter, tool length tolerance value, and the corresponding program will be generated. Execute the program in MDI or automatic mode, and the tool damage detection action will be performed. If the damage exceeds the tolerance value, an alarm will be generated.